Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, I'll try to make you understand about column graph tool and all of the related tool that are related with column graph tool. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before we move and use all of these tools, what we have to do, make sure to click on graph tool and just drag that there. So we've got sort of a graph there, and along with that we've got sort of a table there, sort of a small sort of sheet we've got. So what I have to do, make sure to make sort of a small table there so that we can have the result of that table as a graph there. So what we have to do, make sure to make sort of a table there. Like we've got first thing, that is names, and then we have got English subject, and then we have got bio subject, and then we have got history subject. So what we have to do, make sure to click there and write some of the names like so we have typed some of the names, and this time make sure to type the marks of that, like English marks. So we are done now. Make sure to check that, and we have got the result over there. So I've got the result something like that we are having graph there, which we are having the first name Ali, Ahmad, Wali, Jawad and Khalil, and we're also having the subjects there that have got some sort of specific colors there. So this time what I have to do, make sure to deselect that and select and take direct selection tool, make sure to click there, and this time you're free to change the color of that anyone you want. Maybe I want to go for that, or maybe you can also change this color like this one, and this time this one, and let's try to go for that, and we've got like that. So this is what you can also change the color of that. So anyone you like, you can go for that and change the color of that. So over there you can change the color of that. So this is what you can make sort of a graph for yourself for your ease. So this is what is something. So this time what I have to do, make sure to click there and make sure to double click on this graph column tool, and we've got some of the styles there, like maybe clicking on that and hit OK. So we've got result something like that. Make sure to double click on that once again, go for this, and we've got results something like that. So anyone you are comfortable with that, you can go with that of the color, or maybe with that of the style. Make sure to double click on this and make sure to apply that. See, that depends upon your choice. So anyone you like, you can go for that. Even you can apply that of the style. Make sure double click there and just apply that. See, that works, my friend. Have a look at this, my friend. See, that works. And we've got this one. This is giving results something like that, which is also magnificent. And we've got the last one that is giving results something like that. So this is all about how to apply the graph column tool or the column graph tool, which is all about graph, which is all about calculation, that how can you speculate or calculate all of the data that you have. So this is what I have taught you, my friend. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and take care.